close by December. I don't know how they do it.
UK or US?
UK.
So maybe they are closing quarterly. So I mean the first quarter, third quarter they are using December.
One second, like only. Sorry. I'm always confused with this UK and Europe. So I'm working for the European company. They are using this Jan to December only. Only this UK country will have a different financial year.
Oh, oh my God. I mean the in Europe, UK is there.
Yeah, within Europe we have UK, right?
So although they are, they are following the European Union policies, so they must be a same variant.
Yeah,
I mean,
actually, but they exited, right? Now they are not. UK is not anymore part of European Council.
okay, okay.
There are around 44 countries within Europe, right? Out of the 40,
Anyway. But I
yeah.
hear the good news that that's a different, the Australia one. Australia one is new for me.
If you take a case of Netherlands or Sweden or Denmark, see what are those fiscal year?
I have no idea.
All of them are Jan to December only.
Oh, okay.
You take any country, you take Sweden, Denmark, France, everything is starting in Jan and ending in December, except Britain, except UK, and in the European countries.
Okay. And
Okay,
every country has a right to choose their variant as
obviously
per
they will
their
have.
as per their
Yeah,
local
yeah, they
local.
have that right. They can choose it.
Okay, okay.
They can choose it.
Mm-hmm. Please.
Yeah, where are we? Exactly, yeah, we are creating the variant, right? So these are all some of the standard variants, and many of them will be user created.
Mm-hmm.
So,
And we are creating it as separate different variant.
so H1 already someone is using, H3 already someone created, HP also someone created already. There is a company HP also maybe.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go for H4, H5.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll create with the names H4. This is for HP company. We'll go
Mm-hmm.
with Jan to December, and this is the most easiest thing. Here we don't have any confusion. Number of periods are 12, number of special periods are 4, and simply what we need to do, we need to click on calendar specific. So our there is no difference. Our each calendar month is nothing but each financial period. So whatever is the calendar year, it is the same as the financial year, right? So there is no issue with it. We can just click on save, and this is how you will create the variant for Jan to December financial year. It is very simple. Okay, but now let us create the H5, which is for India. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now, yeah, you're there, right? So just a second. Now click on new entries and go with H5. When you come to this HP, I'll mark it as HP India and then April to March. Now, is this the same as the calendar year?
Oh, it's a different thing.
So now what we need to do is we need to inform the system where my financial year starts from to the system. System doesn't know now. Earlier we marked it as calendar year, so it knows, okay, you are following the calendar year. That means you will start in Jan and end in December. I
Mm-hmm.
know how many months each of period has, whether it has 31 days, 30 days. System knows everything. So
Mm-hmm.
here you
See.
will here you need to inform the system in this case. Okay, you don't know which month it will start, so you have to click on periods. First, let me save this. Yeah, now select it and then click on periods. Now we need to inform the system where my period starts. We can inform the system in two ways. Now the years are falling in 2 years, right? Whether it can be
Mm-hmm.
2020, 2022, 2023 we can maintain, or we can maintain 2023, 2022. Now what is the difference? Now let's go to the whiteboard. Clear? And then let's create it. We have fiscal year. Okay. Now this is starting in April and ending in March. Now we can do it two ways. So April to December is falling in 2023, right?
Mm-hmm.
And your January, February, March is falling in.
2024.
This is one way of consideration of doing it. The other way of consideration, suppose you are following the backward in case some countries you will follow the backward scenario, then what you will do is you will calculate, you will start your first period as 2023, and then 2022, sorry, and then 2023. Suppose your financial year you need to denote like this, or you have a query. Prashant, always this financial year will be the future thing. Why will you consider the past year data? Is that a question? Right?
Mm-hmm.
You're informing the system when it is beginning. Obviously, the ending will be in the next year only, right?
Of course.
So now let me take this one also as 2024 and I will show you a difference. Here I can use 0 and this one of year shifting. Here I can inform the system plus 1, sorry, minus 1 and 0. Okay. So either you can give notation year shift as 0 plus 1 or you can give minus 1 0.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if you are defining for the months of 2024, you can directly give minus 1. For the year 2023, you can give 0. If you are giving 2023 0, you have to give for the 2024 plus 1.
Mm-hmm.
Agreed?
Okay.
Confused. Let me
No,
write
no,
it, elaborate it.
no. And that's okay. Go ahead, please.
Understood?
No,
See,
no, go
0
ahead.
or plus 1 or minus 1, 0, both are same, right?
Yeah. Result is same.
Result is same. So let me go and show it to you in the system. For example, let me take example of India, April to March. What is the first month that is a calendar month that is going to start? 4th
January.
April, right? No,
Calendar.
For India, financial
Okay.
period and calendar month.
Okay.
Number of days, April 30, and what is it? It is my first period of the financial year.
Okay.
Okay, I'll use year shift 0. Next one 5, May 31st. It is my second period, year shift 0. And next it is June, 30 days. And 3, 0. And next is July, July 7th, 31st. Fourth period, year shift 0. Eighth
Mm-hmm.
month, August, 31st again, 31 days, 0.
Mm-hmm.
And then here you have next one is 9th.
9.
Ninth month is September, 30. And
Same.
sixth period, 0. Next one
Mm-hmm.
is 10th
Mm-hmm.
October, 31 days. Seventh period, 0. And
Mm-hmm.
next one is November. Number of days, 30. Period
Mm-hmm.
is 8, right?
Okay. Then 12,
Then 12,
31st,
31,
31.
9 and 0. Now here comes. Now you are in December, your company's financial year closing is happening in December. Suppose your headquarter company is in US.
Mm-hmm.
Most of the country's headquarters lies in US.
Mm-hmm.
Now, can you now if you want to perform year-end closing for India, can you do
Mm-hmm.
it? According to US, can you do it?
Mm.
You cannot consider the future data, right? You have to do it with the past data. So what you will do here, you will inform the system your calendar month first will you will set it as January 10th period and year shift from previous year. Waiting me?
Okay.
Second one, February. So this will be 28 and then 11 and then minus 1. And then you will have 3, then you'll have 31, 12, and then minus 1. Okay. So this is how you will maintain and you will click on save. Okay.
Is it the right sequence, or we should start from the 1, 2, 3 minus and then fourth?
No. See, if you start either from January or February month, end of the day, these are all just entries, right? Whether you maintain it in the first or last, it is the same.
Oh, result is the same.
Obviously, this is just an entry.
Okay.
Okay.
So basically, we are using last 3 months, this current year month.
Yes. This is one way of considering. The other way
Okay.
of considering is just give +1 and 0. It depends on your group company code. Okay. Anything
Mm-hmm.
depending upon the scenario. That's all. You one you give +1 and other one you give 0 and another one you give -1 and 0. Okay. So
Okay.
this is how you will create a different variant.
Mm-hmm.
And then now let us assign our variants to the company code. So you maintain the variant. Now assign the company code to the fiscal year variant. So what is the company code? HPUS. So for
Yes.
US, what is the fiscal year variant we created? H4, Jan to December. Save it. Okay.